The 2025 Honda CL300 is an exciting addition to Honda's lineup, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and versatility. This bike has been designed to cater to riders who value reliability and efficiency while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. Its compact yet powerful 286cc single-cylinder engine delivers an impressive performance that ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride for both city commutes and weekend adventures. The engine's fuel injection system not only enhances performance but also ensures excellent fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily riders. The design of the 2025 Honda CL300 reflects a retro-inspired aesthetic combined with modern elements. Its clean lines, minimalist approach, and rugged appeal give it a unique personality that stands out in the crowd. The lightweight chassis provides excellent handling and agility, making it easy to maneuver through traffic or tackle winding roads. The upright seating position ensures comfort for long rides, while the wide handlebars add to the bike's overall control and stability. One of the standout features of the Honda CL300 is its advanced suspension system. Equipped with telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock, this bike offers a comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. The braking system, which includes a front and rear disc with ABS, ensures optimal stopping power and safety, giving riders confidence on the road. The bike also features a durable frame that can handle rough conditions, making it an ideal choice for riders who love exploring new paths. The digital instrument cluster provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip meter, all in a clear and easy-to-read display. The LED lighting system, including the headlight and taillight, not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design. The Honda CL300 also comes with a spacious fuel tank, allowing for fewer stops and more time on the road. Honda has ensured that the 2025 CL300 is user-friendly and low maintenance. Its lightweight design and responsive performance make it an excellent option for beginners and experienced riders alike. The bike's reliability and build quality ensure that it can withstand years of use without compromising performance. This motorcycle is perfect for riders looking for a stylish and functional bike that can handle a variety of riding conditions. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising through city streets, or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Honda CL300 delivers a satisfying and reliable experience. Its affordability and low operating costs make it an excellent value for money. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Your support helps us create even more engaging and informative content.